Hi everybody, so in this tutorial I want to show you how to make a baby hem using roller hem feet. I have here three sizes, 1/16, 1/8, and 1/4 of an inch. And in this video I'm going to show the 1/16. It's very, very tiny. So if you're going to be using 1/16 as your final hem, you're going to really have about 1/4 of an inch seam allowance. And I'm just going to put my foot on. Make sure it's on there nice and tight. You can also use a home sewing machine with the attachments to do this exact technique, and it's very similar as far as how you fold it and stuff. You do need to take, you see how right now the thread is not inside that hole? So just put a piece of fabric, crank the machine down once, and then just pull the thread through that hole. Okay, so this does take a little finessing, I will tell you that. Sometimes it doesn't work right away, so you should always get a sample first and practice. So I put it inside the foot. Yeah, I'm going to roll it around that little roller. And I like to kind of hold it up in the air a little bit and see if it's working and angle it. And so on this side, it'll just show that little tiny rolled hem there.